gonna try for the first time the WAVYTALK negative ion hair straightener that is viral on TikTok. The only thing that I did to my hair is, as per usual, wash it. I use hair conditioner, I rinse it out because I like to leave it on, and then I let it air dry, and it's completely dry, but it's clean and it doesn't have any product as of now. Hi, Cheva Zapata, and on my channel I do small business blogs, DIYs, and product testing. So if you are interested in that type of content, make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of my videos. I bought this product with my own money, so let's open it. I am using my fabric scissors to open packages, and my heart is hurting right now because I don't let anybody use this for anything else than fabric, and look at me now. I've seen this hair straightener all over my For You page on TikTok, and I wanted to try it so bad, but there is so many people that do product recommendations just because they are receiving a commission. I wasn't buying it. I went to the comments and a lot of people had issues with the videos. So the viewers said that they didn't see the whole process, so they couldn't believe it, because the content creator only shows when she's doing the first pass, and then she shows it when the complete hair is done. To me, it wasn't an issue, but since the viewers were having that issue, I wanted to make a whole video. And I know that on TikTok nobody's gonna see a 10-minute video, so I said, you know what, let me do it in my YouTube. So if you are here, I'm just glad that you are here. You're gonna see the whole process. The second issue that I found is the videos are performed by people with straight hair. So my hair is wavy, kind of curly. My mom's hair is curly. My sister is the same type as mine. Let me show you. Without any product on my hair, this is how it looks. As soon as I get out of the shower, I have to use hair products to prevent my hair to go like an alpaca. Check on your friends with curly hair. We are not fine. We're gonna open the box. Look at the details, look at the design. It has hair tools. So it says WAVYTALK Professional Salon Hair Straightener Brush. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it's a brush. That's what caught my attention because I already tried this brush, and it's a hair dryer with a brush, and it worked really nice. I also have a video, but that video is in Spanish. I'm still gonna put it here. And I'm gonna link that video in the description box down below. Oh, okay, I was trying to push it because I thought it came out this way, but it's actually like so. One thing about me is I don't use heat protection on my hair. That's just my personal preference. If you use heat protection, you go ahead and use it. This is how it looks. Your hair is gonna go through the brush and it's gonna receive heat, and at the same time it's going to strain and prevent freeze. It has 3 buttons right here. Here, this one says iron. This one says iron. This one is the temperature button, which you have temperatures over here. So I'm guessing if you start with the lowest, it's going to turn on at 270 degrees, and then it's gonna go up every time you push the button. And this button right here is so you can turn it on and off. The cable goes around, and that is very important because that is going to prevent your cable to tangle. I'm gonna leave it at 390 because that's what I usually, that's the temperature that I use with my regular hair straightener. 270 degrees is for soft and thin hair. 300 degrees is for thin, fine, and bleached hair. 330 degrees is for dyed hair and dark color hair, which I have. 360 degrees is for slightly curly hair, and 390 to 420 is for thick and curly or wavy hair. Adjust the temperatures by pressing the temperature setting button, which I already did. So now it stopped blinking, so I'm thinking it's already at the temperature that I wanted. I'm gonna section my hair. As I usually do to use my other hair straightener. And I'm gonna start looking at here because my mirror is right here and I only brought one hair clip, so we're gonna use the one that they sent. And I am doing it in the same speed that I do, and that I use my other hair straightener. Okay, I am gonna need a second pass. I'm gonna need to pass it for a second time. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you how long my hair is right now. Whoop, to here. And this is my hair, my natural hair. And this is with the tool, with the hair tool. Okay. One thing that I didn't do is I didn't brush my hair. Okay, I'm gonna do my whole head. Alright, I'm gonna do my whole head. Oh my gosh. Okay, silly me. I forgot to turn on my mic. So I am gonna do my whole head. Right now, I am gonna put a timer right here and we're gonna see how long it takes to do my whole head. What? Oh my god. When I use my hair strainer, my regular one, by this time when I am straining these hairs, they are all the way up. They are all the way up. Because I have baby hairs, you know. Oh my gosh, I like that. Maybe I should turn on the light a little bit more. Give me a second. Oh, there we go. I don't know why I didn't start it with this light, but look at my hair. Okay, I love that. What is this? Oh my gosh. A ver, let's see if I can style it a little bit. I don't usually style my hair. I only straighten my hair and I'm good to go. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It looks super shiny. I love how it feels. It feels soft, very, very soft. Let me show you the back side. This is how my hair looks right now. Oh. And I love the part that the baby hairs are not up. Yeah, they're not up. Like, freeze? Who? Maybe I can do this on my mom as well. I'm gonna call her. Her hair is curly. I'm gonna call her. And while she's coming, I am also going to pick up all the hair that I lost. This is nothing compared to what I lose in the shower. So my mom says that she has the same brush, but it didn't work for her. So we're gonna see if it works this time. Because I remember the first time that I made this video, she told me that she had one similar and it didn't work, but she wasn't using it on damp hair. So right now her hair is all dry and you can see the texture. She has a lot of curls. She has dye hair and it's dark. So we are gonna use, we are keeping it at 390, and let's start. Mira. Te voy a poner aquí el espejo o acomódalo para donde tú puedas ver. Voy a poner esto un poquito más cerca. No tienes nada de producto, ¿verdad?
No.
Ahí va la primera. So there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you give it a try. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like so I know that I should continue making this type of videos. Make sure that you subscribe because in that way you help my channel grow, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.